Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maggie. Today we're going to be playing with 3 products from Trixie Cosmetics. I am obsessed with Trixie Mattel. I am determined to turn myself into her one day, and I've always wanted to try her makeup. She brings such joy and laughter to the world, and I needed to play with this glitter. And they did a collab with her and Katya, another queen that I'm obsessed with. I think I've watched everything that they've ever put out on the entirety of their content. I just love them and they are so funny. But I got the Trixie palette, the eyeshadow palette, and then I got the Trixie highlighter in Twinkle, and then I also got the Trixie lipstick, which I have never tried any of these and I'm very curious to try. Her packaging always slays and the formulation seems really good so far. So I popped my eye makeup off and we're gonna go ahead and start making a cute sugar plum princess look, which is what I'm calling it because it's super pink and glittery. I was obsessed with this palette, especially this glitter that I use in it eventually. The first shade I started with, which was Gingerbread House, which is like a nice, it's a nice brown, like a very much so gingerbread color brown, but it has like a sparkle running through it, and it has a bit of a pink undertone, but still that nice warmth to it. And then I do go ahead and mix a little bit of Trixmas, which is like a baby pink, in the palette as well, just to buff those lines a little bit more. Add a brighter base to the lid. I'm taking Pink Elephant, which is that very baby pink. I feel like which would work nice as a blush on the face. Maybe I'm wrong. I'll have to try this palette as blush later. But I take that on a small brush and I place it on the more center of the lid just to add a little bit more brightness and blend all those pinks together. I'm taking Punch Bowl, which is a punch color, very plum fuchsia, and I take that on a small pointed brush and buff that into the crease and just further blending those all together and adding a little bit more definition. I also take it a little closer to the lash line just to kind of do a bit of a halo eye without doing a halo eye, if that makes sense. Just adding a lot more definition on the edge just to make it really pink. If you wanted to do a full matte look, this is where I would say stop. It looks pretty beautiful to me, but I of course wanted to add a little bit of shimmer, so I took Merry and Gay, which kind of is giving like rose gold but also has a pink gold sparkle running through it. It's super beautiful, and I ran that all over the top of that baby pink shade just to add a bit of sparkle. And then I also took the silver sparkly shade in Sleigh Bells and I put that in the inner corner as well on my brow bone just to tie it all together. And the moment I was most excited for was to use Party Popper, which is one of those kind of like, I don't want to call it dry and kind of gritty sparkle shades. I would say these are actually a lot softer than the ones that you would typically see in like the ColourPop ones. They don't feel gritty to me at all. And you could obviously use a glitter base. I just forgot to do it and it's still on my eyes, so technically don't have to use a glitter base, but I would just to keep the sparkles out of your own eyeballs. And I put that on top of my lid as well into the brow bone just because I was so obsessed with the multi-dimensional glitters. And I of course popped on some lashes, and of course we had to go in with the highlighter in Twinkle. Beautiful, super sparkly pink with a silver glitter going through it. I love these kind of shades. It works well as a blush topper in my opinion. I already had my blush on, but I hadn't highlighted, so I did that with it. And then of course I had to go in with the buttercream lipstick in Trixie, which is kind of a cool toned mauve, which I was loving because I feel like cool toned mauves are a little bit harder to get these days. They always run a little warm, but this has a little bit of that purple tone in it that makes it that perfect cool tone shade. I am going to be getting a lot of use out of this. Not only is it pink and heart shaped, but it also smells like buttercream and is super delicious. And of course I had to take the Party Popper shade and put it on my lips too, just to add a little bit more Christmas sparkle. I love doing this to add a bit of a glitter, adding a bit of glitter to the lip. And there is the finished Trixie Cosmetics makeup tutorial. I really deeply enjoyed all of these products. Makes me want to dip back into that website and see what else they got going on, but maybe one day I will actually do that tutorial turning myself into Trixie Mattel, because I just think that would be super fun and just cool to see if I can do it. But don't forget to have a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and say something nice below. Bye!